In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple inboxes in Gmail, giving you some valuable email tips and tricks to enhance your workflow. Let's dive in and set up your Gmail for maximum productivity. First off, you'll need to open Gmail and log into your account. This might seem self-explanatory, but it's always a good starting point. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll spot the familiar gear icon, that's your settings button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From that menu, you'll want to select See All Settings. This will take you to the general settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Gmail experience. Now all of your settings are organized by tabs, and the one we're interested in today is labeled Inbox. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the inbox settings, you'll find an assortment of configuration options. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Inbox Type. Click on it, and from the list of different styles, choose multiple inboxes. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to customize how you view and manage your emails. Once you've chosen multiple inboxes, scroll down until you see the multiple inbox sections. This is where you can tailor your inbox to show different categories. You can set up filters to display specific types of emails. For example, you might want to use filters such as is starred for your starred messages, label work to keep track of work emails, to me for emails directed specifically at you, or has attachment for those with attachments. Think about the categories that best suit your needs and enter them into each field provided. Now it's time to personalize these sections by giving each one a name. Consider naming them something intuitive like starred for your starred items, or work emails for your workplace correspondence. Giving each section a clear name will help you identify them at a glance. Next, you get to decide where these inbox sections will appear on your screen. Look for the option to set the position of the panes. You can choose to have them on the right side of your inbox or positioned below the main inbox area. Consider what layout best complements your daily email management routine. Finally, after setting everything up, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This ensures all your new settings are applied and your email setup is ready to go. There you have it, your Gmail is now equipped with multiple inboxes, making it easier to stay organized and efficient with your emails. This setup can greatly streamline the way you handle communication and help you focus on what matters most.